This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your mouse pointer's color in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your mouse pointer's color in Windows 10, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner of my taskbar, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right-click on that. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom where it says Ease of Access and click on Ease of Access. Then the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go to where it says Mouse Pointer and click on Mouse Pointer. Then on the center pane right here, you can change your mouse pointer's size and color. This top slider up here is for the size of your mouse pointer. Down below that, change pointer color. By default, your mouse pointer's color is probably white. As you see mine is, it has the checkbox in that one. You can change your mouse pointer color to black, or you can change it to inverted. Or the last one is you can pick from a color wheel. I'm going to click on this last one. Now you can choose between one of these colors they provide here, or you could go down to the bottom and click on Pick a Custom Pointer Color. That'll bring you up a little color scale here. You could choose a color from in here. I'm going to click on Cancel. That is how you change your mouse pointer color in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.